Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwa Bloom. So in this video, we are looking at WebEx meetings, how to schedule a meeting. So still now we have learned that how to start a meeting, join a meeting, sign in, sign up. Everything is being discussed very clearly. So last part is scheduling the meeting. So I think you are able to see these three dots here. So now which we are in is the second page. Right? It is in the second page. So you should go to the first page. How you will do that? Just swipe, that's it. So don't think about this, just go up here. One icon is there, like calendar icon, something like this. So click on that. When you tap on that, defaultly meeting title. So this is the, now only I'll explain the basics to you. This is the meeting topic. This is the password for the meeting. And this is for only confidential purposes. They will use this. Okay, like they will write, the students also will sign in. Then they are all emails. If you write for them, you don't need to send the IDs also. They will get join option, you will get start option, like that. So for schools not required, because you will be dying always writing the email IDs. So this is the date, this is the date and day, and this is the time, and here duration we will be having. Hope you all understood it better. First we will change the password every time, because or else first we can change the meeting title also. I don't want this 302 uglily. Then for then what we will do, we will change the topic whichever we want. Whatever topic we want, we can keep. There's no rule like only host name should be there. There's no rule. Okay, you can keep like class, the topic also you can keep, not a problem. Now when you click on show password, the password is shown. If you don't want that, you want the password to be short, just click on the wrong and write your own password. Okay, so let's do that. So I have put my password. Then timing, so date today's only, and timing we will change now. So 8:45, it's okay, not a problem. Correct timing only we have. Duration 1 hour, it's okay. Now click on start. It is scheduled, but reduce your timing. In WebEx, I'm saying one thing: you should not have 1 hour meeting. 59 minutes also it won't accept. You should have 50 only maximum in WebEx. Why? Because if you are getting more than, if you want 1 hour or more than it, you should pay for premium. Okay, premium plan is required that time. If you want more than 1 hour, like offices meeting, they will use that. For us, not required. I am not buying that also. So here make it 0 hours. Okay, and here it will show defaultly 10 minutes. You can put the number of minutes you want. I am putting 40 minutes. Okay, when you should just click on start. Actually it should not get started, it will get started also by mistake. If it gets, not a problem, just click this back icon. Sometimes directly it will get started. Now if you want to share the information with people, just tap on that, you will get all the details. Okay, so we can start now. Here one green color mark is there, that is start the meeting. Start, if you click on start, the meeting will get started. So I am clicking on this green color button. Green, it's a start, click on that. So I clicked. Okay, it's getting connected. So now as you can see, the meeting is also unlocked position. That's why we has joined the audio conference, as I have given the information about the meeting to him or her. So now when you click on the three dots, you get only difference are lock meeting and meeting privilege. Meeting privilege already in personal room also we will have. Only lock meeting, there lock meeting room, here lock, that's it. So when you click on lock meeting, the meeting will be locked. Now if someone else join the meeting, what will happen? We will have to admit them. Okay, admitting the process will be, see some RRR is waiting in the lobby. Now I have to admit. He is signed or not signed also we will get to know. He is not signed because here tick has come, admit. So now RRR is also in the meeting and he's not get connected to the audio. Now I will make V as host I'll make. First co-host and all, what we co-host, what we have, we know, right? We'll be having mute control, chat, invite also, and mute control of everyone separately we will be having, and a sort by also we will be having separately, like raised hands and all. So that also we will be having. Now that is only we are having, but co-hosts I didn't make someone else that time. So I will say what are the characteristics co-host can have. So I'm giving host post to V, and that V will make me co-host. See, someone is waiting in the lobby, I'm not admitting them. Okay, I am making V as host. Yeah, okay, so V is the host now and I am the co-host. So I request V not to just make me attendee. So here one more new option, that is raise hand. When I am the co-host also I will be getting this lobby details. So same details whatever host is getting, I will also get the same details. So now host will admit SV. See, he has admitted, he or she has admitted. So if someone else come, even I can see whoever is waiting in the lobby. Okay, but I am the presenter now. Okay, so I can share something here on the screen. So now even I can unlock the meeting also, but I don't want to unlock it. So I can share something now. I'm sharing. Then if I am sharing, then the co-host can admit everyone. If if a host is sharing, then I can admit. So it will be like mutually sharing like that. Okay. So if I share whiteboard, I will not be able to see the participants, or else I am explaining using the annotation box. Then I will not be able to admit, right? I can't see the participant list, so I can't admit. That time host will admit. Or else if I am the if host is sharing and she is not able to see the participant list, he or she, so I will admit. So it will be easy for me, right? Now someone will see, now someone is okay, someone has joined the meeting, I guess. See, someone is joined the meeting. So in that way it will help. CVS, someone has joined the meeting. So in that way it will be mutually helping. Like if I am writing, so I'm explaining here, right? So that time it will be tough. So that in that case we can do. If someone is unnecessarily talking, host will unmute them. Or else if host is sharing, then I can just mute or unmute them. So I am asking host to unmute me. So they will do it for me. Yeah. See, they have unmuted. So in that way, mutually you can help using this co-host option. Now, you can just chat also, right? So I'm asking, make me as host. I'll make co-host. Make me as host. Change my post to host. I'm asking. So, and I'll make you the co-host. I will make you co-host. Okay, so done. I kept the message. Now they will see and respond to it. So let's see, until and unless he or she makes me as a host. Now I am the host. Now I will make V as co-host. Yes, and yes, RRR also I can make co-host. How many number of co-hosts we want, that many we can make. So everyone also co-host we can make, I think. So minimum 3, I think. No, we can make everyone as co-host. So all are the co-hosts now. So I can make them back attendee also. Now they will not have co-host. So triple R also I am making attendee only. VS also I am making attendee only. Only me and we will be hosts of the meeting. Fine. So in this way you can mutually help yourselves. There's something in the chat box. Okay. We has kept in everyone chat. Okay. Then everyone can see that. So in this way you can do that. Now stop this one icon is some SV left the meeting. So This icon means that they can just simply rotate the image. Like if I rotate, I can just rotate it all the way, all the directions. And this means annotation. Like hi, I can just write simply whatever I just want to. Fine. So we can see the people also. See, all left, only co-host and me is there. Okay. Fine. So this is all about the video. Hope you all understood what to do. This and all this I explained long back. So even co-host can end the meeting for all, and host also. Now I am making V as host. Okay. So I will become the co-host. See, I'm co-host now. See, I'm the co-host. Vishwa Blooms is me, right? So I'm the co-host. Now I also can end meeting for everyone. Okay. So in that way. So hope you all understood what to do there. So like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. In the next video, we will be having some teacher-student interactive comedy also. We will be having that video regarding using WebEx meeting only. So bye for now. I'm ending the meeting.